Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna fix one thing, that's pip install command. And today you might have seen in my other videos that I use pip very fluently. I have downloaded many modules and also you know all about it. But yes, today I'm on a new device and we're gonna fix this pip command. Okay, so let me first show you what's the problem here. Okay, so let me write for PowerShell. Yes, so let's maximize and increase the size. It's pip, sorry for this, install, and let me just show you something that we are going to download this MoviePy module, and this module is really superb, and MoviePy, perfect. And here it's saying that this pip is not recognized and all such things, and we are going to fix this. Okay, so now let me just tell you something. Let's head down to Python. You need to have this installed in your computer, and yeah, next is you have to open the file's location at a because we have to go to the Python obviously, and here you can see that this is a shortcut type, right? So now let's just go to its file location. Here you can see it's once again, and this is python.exe. Now I want you all to head down to the scripts folder where there is pip. There are three pip exe files, three pip executable files, applications. Here you can see the types. Okay, so let me just show you once again what's happening. Pip and it is enter and it's not working. Okay, so shortcut didn't work, one of my favorite shortcuts, but yeah, not an issue. What's happening, what's here? Okay, let me just exit from this app actually, and I will be opening one more PowerShell window. Just a minute. Okay, not an issue. PowerShell, yeah, nice, super. Okay, so let me just take down to the scripts folder. Now what you need to do is just click here, means from wherever this directory path, you can see that this is at this place, this whole folder is at this place. Let's say that if you go ahead, then you will see that this scripts is removed. So this is the directory path. You need this. Let me just show you where and how. Now write down here edit. Okay, once again edit system environment variables. Here you have, see, you can see here environment variables. Click there once again. Don't close this or else this will also close. This is path. Now you need this thing. Hit edit, not new. You need to hit click on edit. Okay, so it's saying that edit the environment variable, and let's head down to this place, this folder once again. Click, just copy this directory path, Control C, and if you are on Mac, I didn't know exactly which you are using. Now you have to click on new, because if you click on edit, then it will edit the previous one. So we don't need this. I need a new one. That's this thing, and hit on OK, OK, OK. Leave it. Now let me just show you something. So now pip should respond, means it should show which commands are there in its place. Okay. Now I think that we need to open up a new window actually here. PowerShell. Because this window was outdated. Because this window was outdated. Outdated means we have updated some setting, but this window was present before, right? So it's not PowerShell, sorry. It's pip. And yeah, here you can see the whole thing is here now. So yeah, now let's try. Okay, so first of all you need to connect to the internet. I have mine connected already. So just a minute, I need to connect here. Yeah, because you are downloading something, so you need to get it connected to the net. So now let's write about pip install MoviePy, and let's see what is happening here. I hope this should install. Yeah, taking much time. Yes, completely done. Super. Super fast. Super fast. Yeah, it's not an issue. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Quick, quick, quick. Perfect. Okay, not an issue. Yeah, it's gonna take some time. Though. So this thing actually is dependent on many other things. So here you have pip install MoviePy, and we are downloading the one thing. So first of all, okay, I'm canceling this thing for now. And you know that yes, now this thing is working perfectly fine. So your pip is configured, all the things are perfect. So till the next video, please do take care because this pandemic is really bad. And yeah, it's nice. All the best and thank you.